Hello, so right here I've created a sales or a graph database based off of the sales database. And I did this by I took the CSV files that we were given and I uploaded them to Google Drive, and then I made them public to the web. So then I could go back over here and if we actually wanted to take a look at how I first created them. Okay, yeah, here we go. So then it made it a lot easier since I just needed to take the URL from these Google files and upload the CSV files that way, and they all kind of followed the same format of the URL, and then we turned, obviously since those were rows because of relationship from a relational database. Yeah, so this is what it is to create them, and then I also went ahead and also did the queries for the relationships between them, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete that since I've already done that. And this is kind of how the relationships work. So they match, orders, um, the salespeople, and so an order was sold by a salesperson. And then I could just go more into depth to demonstrate that if we just go right into our graph database. So as you can see right here, actually let me just, so we have customers are orange, salespeople are blue, and orders are red. And there's 7 customers, 5 salespeople, and 10 orders for a total of 22. So that is great. And then it also actually has the number of relationships that there is. So we have the relationship held by, purchased, and sold by. And then there's 7, 10, 10 of those, so 27 relationships total. And we can actually go right in here and look at them further. So as you could see, in this case, it's just one salesperson and 1 customer, and then there's 2 orders. And since there's only 1 customer, we know that these 2 orders was purchased by that customer, and that actually demonstrated right here in this line of the relationship. And we could see that that the relationship between the customer and the salesperson was that this customer was helped by this salesperson, and the relationship between orders and salesperson is that this specific item was sold by this salesperson. And then as you could see, this is kind of like a medium level, I guess, node relationship, but there is some more complicated ones over here, like one salesperson and multiple customers, and then multiple orders. Yeah, so as you can see, usually like the main thing that there's always going to be one of is salespeople, since they're going to have multiple orders and multiple customers around them. And then it could even be as simple as just a one-to-one for each. And then as you can see, the relationships, regardless of the little clusters, are always going to be the same between the different types of nodes.